Welcome to the chapter 11 of the Three Flowers. If you haven't watched the previous 10 chapters, then you should watch them for better understanding of this chapter. And you have watched them out, then let's see what Sakshi's conversation turned out to be. So it's time for the beautiful Sakshi to be guided. Sakshi started with, "Hi ma'am, it's been my pleasure to have you as my guide. Ma'am, I want to pursue diploma in social work, especially women empowerment, and would like to uplift women from their current position. I would be grateful in getting some awesome tips from you regarding this." Yes, why not? See Sakshi, if your dream is to uplift women, means you are pursuing a great dream. I am saying this because according to a research, if current trends and works continue with same flow, it will take 135 years to make the two genders equal. And I definitely think you will never even dream this. To make changes and equality in least possible time is a great challenge. To overcome you need warrior mentality. But you see, you don't need to blame men for all the situation. If that would be the case, there wouldn't be support of males in any of these movements. Your first step for equality should be that you should behave equally to men and women. In our society, we are supposed to be in more contact with the gender we belong to. But for pursuing gender equality, we would need both the genders. You see, in the era of upcoming artificial intelligence and more digitalized world and advanced technology, the most in demand will be of leaders. If in future you become a leader, you have to pick good employees, great employees and co-founders, not on basis of the qualification but the talent. Read more books and do your research as you are doing till now. May you succeed and let the future be bright for women. It's my pleasure to have you, ma'am, but how do you know I have done some research on the topic? Because your essay reflects it. Oh, and here the conversation ends. In the last chapter, we will see what happens. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.